price of oil also seems to depend upon the fate of that small Greek nation.
Yeah.
Liam Denning, once upon a time, not too long ago, you were talking to me about how the price of oil was not going to go above $90 a barrel. Well, you finally got your wish. It's now below $90 a barrel after, I don't know, 6 or so months above it.
It was pretty temporary.
Yeah, no, exactly.
Right?
Well, it depends on what you mean by temporary.
A few months, yeah.
A few months.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know.
I realize that's an investment lifetime in your book,
certainly on Wall Street and certainly in the media, that is a lifetime. Now,
certain parts of the media.
Yeah, certain parts of the media. That will go unnamed. Now, what are we, is this real? Is this based on supply and demand, or is the price of oil going down simply because of jitters in Europe?
Well, I think it's both. I mean, when we look at the oil price, we're looking at the price of oil futures, right? Which is usually people taking a bet on kind of supply and demand, 1 month,
people
2
take
months, 3
bets?
months.
Is there speculation in the oil markets?
It does happen, yeah. It does happen. I mean, there's a few things working here. Greece is one thing, and I know you're saying, yeah, Greece is a small nation, but, you know, as I've seen it written, you know, Greece is the fuse and Spain or Italy might be the bomb.
Right. But by the way, there's nothing new in that. I mean, this has been 3 years like this.
Right, but it's 3 years of coming to a seeming resolution,
right,
and then falling apart and coming back and coming back. Right. And there does seem to be a sense now that we're reaching
at the end of the road.
A moment of truth. Greece will either be in or out of the euro, and no one quite knows. But the thing is, that has broader ramifications. I mean, Europe is only 16% of oil demand, which is sizable, but not exactly game-changing. But the problem is that Europe is a very important trading partner for China, and China itself is showing real signs of trouble now. I mean, the government is talking about what you could almost call like a giant cash for clunkers program. They want to bring forward all the programs.
It's worked so well in the U.S. It worked so well at temporarily boosting car demand for all of,
hey, Ford got upgraded yesterday, dude.
Yeah, but that improved demand for like a month. Yeah, come on. Don't fight me on this one.
Anyway.
We still got to get to gold. I'm running out of time.
Okay. Gold.
Let's talk about gold.
The great insurance policy.
Yeah. Gold's down like $50 again today. I mean, it's down like 3%, 2.5%, 3%. There we go. It's only down 30%. I'm sorry. I thought it's kind of is technical support at the 1540 level.
I think
what does this mean? Why if things are so on the edge as people claim, and gold is not a safe haven, if not now, then when?
Well, gold, to my mind, stopped being a safe haven a while ago. It's now a speculative asset, so it tends to move much more in line with markets. In the old days, it was meant to be a hedge, and it doesn't really work that way anymore. And in fact, if you look at the underlying supply and demand of gold, you know, most of the demand, jewelry, which is around half the market, has really dropped off because prices are too high. And there have also been some tax changes in India which have affected demand there. It's mainly people buying it because they think the price will keep going up. It's the ultimate speculative asset.
It sounds like the Facebook IPO.
Right.
It's the same thing. People don't understand it. They're two sides of the same coin.
Except Facebook, you can actually use Facebook. You can post photos on it. You know, you can't eat gold, you can't burn gold.
You know I don't do that.
Well, I know you don't, obviously.
You know I don't do that.
I know.
I don't buy gold, and I don't have a Facebook account.
I know. In fact, gold would suit you very well, given your Luddite tendencies.
I don't think so. Liam Denning on the price of oil going up or down?
From here, definitely down a bit more.
Definitely down a bit more. Liam Denning, boy, I actually got an opinion out of him. This is a first on Mean Street.